Hey fellas, welcome to my brand new video. So the topic of today's video is how to run a Python file in command prompt. So let's begin. So to write the Python code, we will open our editor, then create a new file, then save it. I will save it in my desktop named list.py. .py is the extension of Python language. Then save it. Now the question is, I have to calculate the perimeter and the area of rectangle. So for that we will write the Python code. So the first line will be this, then we have to write the width. The second line will be this, then we have to calculate the area. For that we will multiply the length and the width. So for that we will write length multiplied by width. Then perimeter, then just print the area of rectangle is this colon, then what is the area, then the perimeter of rectangle is colon, then perimeter. So to execute this, we will open our command prompt, open search index, type here cmd, open it, here it is. Now I have saved that file in my desktop. So first we have to enter in our desktop. So for that the command is cd, then write desktop, press enter. Then in desktop there are so many files, so we will write the command dir, press enter. Now these many files are there, so I have named that file list.py. So here it is. Now just copy it, and so this file is not a directory, it's a Python file. So we will write here Python, then the file name, press enter. So first we have to give the length of our rectangle. I will zoom it, so I will give it 12, then enter. Then the width of a rectangle, which is 34. Now let's enter. So here it comes. The area of rectangle is 408. Multiplied this like 12 multiply 34, and the perimeter of rectangle is 92, like 2 into 12 plus 34. So that's all for today, guys. If you learned something from this video, make sure you subscribe and like, and I will meet you in the next video. Roll the outro.